Cultural Committee. I, Mr. Arnav Costa, the President of this committee, welcome all our press and electronic media for attending this press conference and always supporting for this our event, as this is our 19th edition. So thank you and I welcome all of you. Now, the Curtorim Cultural Committee has elected the following members as the managing committee and entrusted to manage the affairs of the association for 26-27. Chairman, Alesh Regional Lorenzo, Honorable MLA of Curtorim Constituency. Arnaldo Costa, President. Vice President, Jacob Joki Francis Katayed. General Secretary, Mrs. Maria Guaretti Fernandez. Joint Secretary, Savio Mascarenas. Treasurer, Wilson Luis. Joint Treasurer, Joki Anton Dias. Public Relation Officer, PRO, Vivek Davega. Chief Coordinator, Garancio Fernandez, and Cultural Secretary, Jose Travasi. Thank you.
It was in January 2007, a handful of Curtor cars in a true carnival spirit got together to organize one of the most happening events in Curtorim. That is, the carnival celebrations under the title Festival of Curtor Cars in our very own culturally rich village of Curtorim, with its green hills, scenic beauty, lush green fields and large water reservoirs. The like-minded, fun-loving persons formed an association to convert their thoughts and enthusiasm into actions and named the association as Curtorim Cultural Committee. One of the prime objectives of the association is to promote the talents that our local artists possess and to bring the entertainment to where it belongs. An effort is being made to provide the best of entertainment within our village. Over the years, the association has expanded the talent hunt search to the entire state of Goa. Fun-loving people of Curtorim and surrounding areas eagerly wait for the annual Festival of Curtor Cars. The first festival way back in 2007 consisted of grand float parade, fancy dress competition, talent promotion event including singing competition, dance competition, comedy competition, and the event culminated with a Konkani musical show. From then on, there has been no looking back. The fun-loving spirit among the members converted the festival into an annual affair.
Okay. Like all these years, we not only organize the floats, but we also tap the talents of the youth and also the kids. And how we do that? By organizing various competitions, like how Quality has told. Like for this year, like all the years, even we have planned these competitions, which I will be announcing now. We'll be having drawing competition, which will be held on 14th February. In which there are 3 categories: tiny tots up to KG2, sub-juniors from standard 1st to standard 4th, and juniors from 5th to 7th. In this, a lot of kids participate. As per the record of all these years, around 450 kids participate in this competition, and we get a good response. We have a float parade that is on 15th February. And like the last 2 years, we'll be again having this float parade starting at around 8 p.m. in the night. Basic idea is a lot of floats come for the Margam floats, and from there we're trying to get the floats in Curtorim. The 2 years we have been successful, and even this year we're trying to do the same thing. So in the floats there are 4 categories. One is the open category. The amount, the prize money will be told by Wilson later on.
No, you can
Yeah? Okay. The open category floats. First prize is 60,000, second prize is 40,000, third prize is 30,000, fourth prize is 20,000, and the fifth prize is 15,000. We have another category, Curtorim category, where the local wards participate in the float. The first prize is 35,000, second is 30,000, third prize is 25,000, and fourth is 20,000. There are three consolation prizes which will be awarded in both the categories, open category as well as Curtorim category, 10,000 each. So three consolation for open category and three consolation for Curtorim category of 10,000 each. We'll be having fancy dress competition, juniors and seniors. The prize is amount as follows. For the juniors, fancy dress 2,000, first prize, second prize is 1,500, and third prize is 1,000. For the fancy dress seniors, 7,000, first prize, second prize is 4,000, and third prize is 2,500. We'll be also having all Goa solo singing competition, and we have given a title of Go On Melody 2026. And there are two categories again, juniors up to 15 years, and the first prize is 8,000, second prize is 6,000, third prize is 4,000, and seniors is above 15 years. First prize is 15,000, second prize is 10,000, and the third prize is 7,000. We also have all Goa group dance competition, which has been named as or titled as Nats Goa Nats 2026. It is open to all age groups. And the first prize is the group dance competition. First prize is 20,000, second prize is 15,000, and the third prize is 10,000. Now, there are auditions for this singing and group dance, which will be held on 8th of February, that is a Sunday, at Hideout, which is a place in Maina Curtorim. The auditions will start at around 2:30 p.m. And there are forms available for the registration, so you can kindly contact the committee. The numbers will be given, and whoever are interested have to submit their names. The finals of whoever have been selected will be held on 16th and 17th February respectively on the grand stage in Curtorim. This time we are bringing a change in the program. On the last day of the floats, that is on 7th February, on the mega stage, we'll be having presentation of Carnival folk plays, and also the prize distribution will be followed after that. So we're planning to have a few folk plays that will be displaying their folks for the people of Curtorim and whoever attends the program. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, to organize all these events, we require a huge money, a big budget. Our total budget is 13,66,000. I will give a short breakup of that. Drawing competition prizes are 9,000 plus. All Goa fancy dress competitions 18,000. Float prizes in both open category, Curtorim category, and the consolation 1,95,000. All Goa singing and dance competition 95,000. DJs, musicians, singers, and artists 32,000. Sound system for all the events, including floats with the press. Yeah, thank you.
Only one small thing. We have it annually. We are having it for 19 years. We try to always avoid as far as possible any politics in that. गांवकारांनी अशें कोत्ताय आमी स्वताच आनी सगळ्यांक रिप्रेजेंटेशन कोणा भायर दवरनाय नाय कोणाक हें नाक म्हणटाय. Everybody is welcome there. And second, we are making it a very traditional one. Itle वर्सां आमी केलें तें is to see that we keep up the tradition of Kurtorkars. Our village is an agricultural based village, which is called the Rice Granary of Goa, and we would like to maintain that structure. Jati to local talent ko pasun award promote kotai, singing, dance competitions pasun, burgyange drawing competitions dekun burgyang kotai ami, te amka ek local talent amgela gaonch burgyang koi kadpak. Yeah, this is our main aim, and we will always like to keep it. We have always kept it very simple. We have not, commercially kurpa kelna te. Advertisements together. We have not made it commercial advertisements pasun nahi amgele. Amge sari ke local advertisements. And am magta ki amka soglan support kurso. All the people of our Curtorim also, though they are with us, we would expect some people from outside also to come and they are welcome to come and join us. Our village is a very serene village. It is, and आता बघू या टायमाचेर बरी शेतां मेतां ग्रीन जाला आहे. बेगीन देखून 5 देखून येल जाल्यार 6 देखून येल जाल्यार बरी आमगे विलेज चोवपा मेळटा. our village in another 20 years will be the only village that will have agriculture, that will have rice cultivation, that will have greenery. That is our main aim, to see that the village is kept like that.
टुरिझम बी कितें सपोर्ट करता तुका फायनान्शियली?
कांय कोन्ना. डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ आर्ट एंड कल्चरान बेश्टो नांव घालताले तेय कांय कोन्नाय आमकां. आनी एक वर्सा तेणी एक लाख कितें दिलोलो एक वर्सा टुरिझम. आतां एपाट चोया, तूं म्हणटा जाल्यार आमी ट्राय करया. आमी असेंब्ली उलयले, असेंब्ली मागीर तेणी कोण कोणा एक लाख दिता म्हणल्यार मायज मेन कमिटी. So I don't think we are accommodated in that. But anyway, let us try. Let us hope to get something.
Yes,
King
sir.
Momo examgela.
King Momo.
Yes, sir. This King Momo for this year, Mr. Sindri Fernandez, and we would also have. We expect a lot of crowd from this year.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.